Dbimmer Reliefnett, the real solution behind the 50+ AI Freedom Blueprint automation system. Today, we focus on the real solution. Let's look behind the scenes. If you've heard the buzz around the 50+ AI blueprint and thought, okay, but what actually makes this work? This is for you. I'm going to keep it calm and clear. No hype, just the plumbing behind the pretty faucets. First, think of an online business like a town. You've got shops, your websites and funnels. You've got roads, your email and messaging. You've got power and water, your data and servers. Most people focus on the shop window, but nothing opens without roads, power, and maintenance. Dbimmer Reliefnett is the utility grid. It's the quiet layer that sets up the servers, keeps the lights on, routes the traffic, and fixes leaks before you even notice them. In other words, infrastructure over hype. So, what problems does it actually solve? Provisioning and uptime. The right resources so your pages load fast, day and night. Orchestration, email, CRM, payments, and AI tools talking without error chasing. Identity and permissions. One secure sign-in and clear roles. Data pipelines. Collect, clean, and deliver information on time. Compliance and backups. Privacy, audit trails, version history. Support systems. Ticketing, knowledge, onboarding checklists, and templates. If that sounds technical, here's a simpler picture. Imagine a modern home. You turn the thermostat, lights adjust, doors lock, coffee brews. You're not rewiring the house each morning. The system coordinates it. The 50+ blueprint works like that, automating the routine so you can focus on what matters. Why do ecosystems matter? Because tools alone don't create outcomes. Connections do. A single app is a hammer. An ecosystem is the toolbox, the workbench, the instruction sheet, and the phone number you call when a screw won't budge. For anyone over 50 exploring online business, here's the real win. Less friction. That means fewer logins, fewer what broke now moments, and more clear next steps. Automation doesn't replace judgment. It removes repetitive steps that drain energy. Where does Dbimmer Reliefnett fit? Think of it as the foundation: hosting, core apps, and AI assistance for sustainable growth. Reliefnett is the support beam under that foundation, aligning parts to behave like one system. What should you look for? Clear systems you can use at a glance. Templates that match real workflows. Capture, nurture, deliver, follow up. Human help when automation needs a human. Transparent costs and the ability to start small, then scale. Bottom line, the right infrastructure turns "I hope this works" into "this is handled." It's not flashy, and that's the point. When the grid is solid, your business feels lighter, steadier, calmer. If that resonates, take your time. Learn more when it feels right. Link below.